a car should sound. Listen to this.
I didn't really push it either. I was just having a bit of fun.
Oh, really? Wheel spring?
Outside. Cool. So there you have it, guys. The Ferrari's over. My birthday trip. Here we go. We're going to meet the crew and hopefully get
That's a real one.
I think it makes a good work.
Let's go.
Nice to start.
Nice to see you.
Show us your big chopper, your helicopter. So here we are, the Morgan Roadster, where we're here for the Swiss Squad Show. And guys, guess what? It's another morning here out in sunny France. This is the Tesla Model Y SpaceX Edition, and as you can see, it's been aerodynamically enhanced with an aggressive front splitter, a chunky rear diffuser and a beautiful boot spoiler. To finish the look, the SpaceX Edition also gets side skirts and some sexy canards. The Tesla Model Y SpaceX Edition really does look like it belongs on the launch pad next to Elon's Falcon 9 rocket. However, it's not only looks that make this car stand out in the crowd. This Model Y's performance equally is improved. It accelerates smoother, it handles better, and will go further due to the better drag coefficiency, just like the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The SpaceX Edition is available with two different drive options. There's a dual motor version, which gives you all-wheel drive and the equivalent of 384 brake horsepower with a range of up to 330 miles on a single charge. The single motor version is rear-wheel drive only and develops 347 brake horsepower in combustion engine terms. Plus, there's a performance model which gets the equivalent of 426 brake horsepower. The Model Y SpaceX Edition comes standard with 19-inch wheels and a 5-seater interior. Plus, there's a full-length panoramic glass roof that's coated to give ultraviolet and infrared protection to the driver and the passengers. Up front, there are 12-way fully electronic seats, heated both in the front and in the rear. There's also a heated steering wheel, plus a decent 14-speaker surround system and two wireless smartphone charging pads. In the centre, there's a 15.4-inch TFT touchscreen that has built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity and a DAB radio. The Tesla Model Y SpaceX Edition gets an electronic stabilisation control, a tyre pressure monitoring system, collision avoidance monitoring and autonomous braking, all as standard. There's a built-in dash cam, plus you get keyless driving using the app on your phone. Temperature is controlled using the Model Y's dual zone air climate control, and in the centre there's a decent sized cubby with ample storage, plus a couple of cup holders. All Model Ys get a built-in sat-nav system, a reverse camera, blind spot monitoring, speed limit warning, cruise control, lane keeping and full sign recognition. On the outside, the car gets LED daytime running lights, light sensing LED headlights that come with auto high beam, a pair of rain sensing wipers and some power folding auto dimming heated wing mirrors. Round at the back, the SpaceX Edition gets a boot spoiler and a jaw-dropping diffuser, as well as some nice LED tail lights. You also get an electronically assisted tail lift. Once inside, the boot is very generous, and with the rear seats down, electronically foldable from the back, the car can easily accommodate a bicycle or a number of large suitcases. Plus, there's ample space underneath the boot floor for the charging cables and the emergency pack. Under the bonnet, there's an extra boot known commonly as a frunk or a fruit, where you can also store the cables or a couple of overnight bags. Whichever version of the Tesla Model Y you decide to buy, you're not going to be disappointed with the performance, the range and ultimately the comfort of the vehicle.